Welcome. Today I'm going to be exploring with you different pictures that are on Canva that you can leverage on. There are a lot of AI. They can assist you to get your job done in seconds. As usual, as we all know, Canva design is the best tool for graphics design. I call it graphics on the go, and it is one of the tools that can help you to be creative with anything you do. Whether you want to be creating poster, you can use your PC like the way I use my PC. Then on the go, you can do a continuity of it on it, and Canva is a valuable tool that can actually help you. I use Canva a lot, and I have a lot of videos on Canva. If you have not watched a lot of my video, you need to explore them. And Canva can edit video, Canva can edit flyer, Canva can even design a website. So it depends on how you explore Canva. So today I'm going to be exploring with us different AI tools that have been added to Canva design, and I'm going to start from the simple, and I'll look at ways it can be of help to you. So this is my mobile phone, and I'm also going to be exploring with us how Canva also can be useful. Some of those AIs, how we can also use them on our mobile phone. So where do we start from? Right now, the best place we need to start from right now is for us to look at the first picture. When you click on create a design, or let me just go from the word upload. So when you click on this word upload and you upload a file, there's a way Canva can now help you to redesign your idea or give you multiple ways you can design this flyer. So this is my flyer, and I click on the word use as add as templates. So when I click on the word add as templates, so over here Canva is going to give me multiple ideas on different ways this flyer can be redesigned. Yeah, this is AI at this point. So different ways these flyers can be redesigned, and with this I can choose any of them. These are some of the flyers. I can also still work on it. I can upload another picture. I can change the style, any color scheme I want, and this is actually free. It is free, although I'm using a paid Canva for education. And we can also change the heading also. So maybe any type of design you want it to come. Let me use the word birthday. Let's search birthday and let's see what will come out. So birthday, so we have some birthday around this creative business birthday. So they have more options for me, so anyone I want to go for. I think I like the first one at the beginning, this over here. So I just click on customize this template, so that means I'm going to have access to this, and then from here I can start to redesign this immediately. So this is AI, very simple, and this is my first video on how to add AI, to on how to use some of the AI pictures on Canva. So definitely you can also do this on your mobile phone, the same way. Just go to the home page, and I think when we click over here we can get to upload. So when you upload, the same method I use, please use that method, and by the time you use this method you are going to get access to Canva. So we'll give it a try. Let's see, give it a try. And with this one, if you don't really know how to design, let's this time, let me see, maybe let me just upload my picture. So when I upload my picture, I'll now tell Canva to help me out with that picture. Let me see, using phone this time. I hope you can see my screen. Profile, okay, this is fine, done. So let's see what will happen as templates. So what will Canva do for us at this point? Let's see. So this is how it works, very simple, and I think you are going to find this very interesting. And I can even take this flyer and bring it back here, tell Canva that I want to redesign it, and Canva will definitely do something about it. So give it a try. Let me see what you can do with this picture, and I'm 100% sure that you will like it. So the idea is that you drop a flyer there, and it will now redesign, give you another type of ways it can be redesigned or it can be used. So mine is still loading. So by the time it finished, the same results that I have over there, I will also have it. I will also have access to it. So thank you very much. We see you in the next.